Hola estudiantes. In this video, I will explain to you how to use your VHL at home or at school. So what I have done is to join as a student so I can actually see the same thing you see when you open VHL. Okay, this is not the teacher version, this is the student version. It should look the same. So here I am. This is my second period. I'm North Paulding. My instructor is Mr. Fernandez. So I go into the book. Let's see what we have going on. Oh no, it looks like I have 5 activities and it seems that they are due on Friday. All right, not too bad. It also says that I have 37 minutes or more or less. This is an approximate. It takes 37 minutes to complete the 5 of them. Think about it, it's not bad. It's from our Lección Uno, our next unit, and it's from another section called Contextos. It is due at 11:59 p.m. So I am going to start. As soon as I press start, the time keeps running. Please understand that the time that you use doing the activities is all recorded, and this generates actually a report where it says when you logged in, how long you work on each one of the activities, and when you logged out. Okay, so that is the evidence for both of us to make it clear and keep it clear. This is for a grade, so here we go. There are no grades available because this is your first activity ever. No announcements, nothing. So start. Okay, this is our first activity. It says tutorial to August 25th. What else do I have? An assignment list. Okay, these are the 5 activities that we have to do. Return to the dashboard. I don't need to do that. Right here is a very important tool. This shows you the textbook page or pages that are associated with the activity you have to do. It's very clear, I guess, to me. There's a play button that I will have to press to start doing the activity, but let's open this before that. Oh, there's a little issue for me. Oh, what I see here is actually the first page in our textbook. You can see the vocabulary, meanings, some conversations over there. Um, so that's what this is. Okay, I got it. Sweet. Let me see if there's a way that I can play with this a little more. Okay, so that's the first page. Let's close that. It looks like whatever is on that page is right here. I'm gonna play and start.
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, gracias.
Bien, gracias.
¿Qué hay de nuevo?
¿Qué hay de nuevo?
Nada.
Nada.
¿Qué tal?
¿Qué tal?
Regular.
Regular.
No muy bien.
No muy bien.
¿Qué pasa?
¿Qué pasa? So,
¿Cómo está?
pause it. It looks like you hear something and then it gives you the space for you to repeat it. My recommendation is that you repeat it out loud so you can actually hear yourself. That is itself in itself is the activity. Okay, so you are doing it right now. Notice that there is no input or anything like that other than your practice, and that's what this activity is about. I can repeat the tutorial. If I want to know what this means, like I said, I go back here and check it out, look for the meaning of that so I don't feel that lost, although right now that's not that important. It's that you familiarize yourself with the expression and how to pronounce it, and then you will find a little button right here that says try it out, and it kind of tells you if you understand. ¿Qué pasa? And it gives you click on the option that best answers each question. So what are you supposed to answer? Gracias, regular, nada, adios. I don't know. I can look it up in here maybe to get this done. Okay? Or if I feel completely lost, I can go back and
Listen
repeat
and repeat each
the
word or
tutorial.
expression
after it's pronounced.
¿Cómo está?
Blah, 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 blah. Practice as much as you feel like you need. This is not for me, this is for you. This is what you're trying to learn. Regular, no muy bien, ¿qué pasa? Nada. Okay, so I'm done with this activity. I already practiced and played with this for like 10 minutes maybe. Then I go back to my dashboard. No, that's not what I meant to say, sorry. 30 minutes now. Do you see that? 4 activities. It means that I already did one of them. See, it recorded that. And the teacher will be able to see how much time I spent on that. Go back. Actually, it's good that I did that, so you guys can see that nothing happens. Assignment list. It looks like one has been done. Do you see that? Even if it says in progress, you're good. Although it's better if you go down here to next activity. When you do next activity down here, then it won't be in progress anymore. Completed. Do you see the difference? So make sure that you scroll down and you see. Now, your question, because we are so intelligent, can I do next activity and does this record that? Yes, I had that issue many times last year. And then I was like, Dad, look, he spent 1 second on that activity because it does record if you were there on 1 second. Can I just leave it open for 10 minutes? Yes, you can, but what is the point? Aren't we trying to learn? That is the question. Besides, this might be a little grade, but your big grade is going to appear on the test at the end of the unit or at the quiz. And if you didn't do this as you are supposed to, then you will be, or that will be reflected on your real big grade. So my recommendation is take it honest, be a good student. All right, so same thing, tutorial, blah, 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 blah. I did the same thing again, sorry. I am supposed to go here. I have 2 more because I have done this other 2. Vocabulary presentation. Look at this one. It's simple like that. It shows you the page and the activity wants you to explore the page, to read everything, see what is going on, try to understand what's going on. By doing that, you are doing the activity. I know it is a little too small, but guess what? You can zoom in or zoom out and then you can actually make it more comfortable. Okay? Yes, it is true. Believe me, if you just explore the page, read everything conscientiously, you are self-aware of what you are doing, and then you do the next activity, it marks it as completed. Okay? So that is my explanation. Hopefully that helped. Remember, this tool right here is very important. Remember, when you say next activity, it marks it as completed. Okay? And hopefully this video wasn't too long. I just wanted to make sure that you guys know what you are doing. I'm trying to do my best to help you out, feel like you're learning and feel successful. So, ciao.